Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal. You are watching the Engineering Master, finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So one more vacancy in Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board, DSSB. Okay, so here is huge number of vacancies are there. The online application will be started from 15 March to 14th April. Okay, so online application are invited for the required the following posts, that is for technical assistant, for public health, printing, civil, chemical, interior design, automobile production, medical, electronics, modern office practice, instrumentation and control, plastic attendant, assistant chemist, E&M assistant engineer, junior engineer, draftman, personal assistant, and pharmacist. Okay, so JE scientific assistants. There are huge number of posts. Okay, so detail will be given to you at the DSSB website at current vacancy. Okay, you can go and check the vacancies detail here. That the education qualifications for technical assistant, public health, matriculation certificates, and diploma in minimum of 2 years or regular duration. Okay, and experience will be nil. Okay, the pay scale will be 5200 to 20200. Age limit will be 18 to 27, and the post code of 221, that is technical assistant printing. The 2 year regular and bachelor degree of science degree can be given. Okay, can be taken as a qualification. Age limit will be 18 to 27 years. Technical assistant diploma is given, the diploma and bachelor of science. Okay, the relevant trade field of essential qualification or post defined by the intending department with their requesting F16. Diploma minimum 2 years of regular duration of relevant trade means diploma minimum of 2 years of regular duration. Okay, so they need diploma. Okay, that is for chemical, also interior designer, also automobile production, medical electronics. Okay, so these are the qualification. They need diploma for the relevant field. Okay, so you can go and check the complete notes and complete from the given link in the description box. Okay, instrumentation control technical assistant, plastic laboratory attendant. Okay, so these are the huge number of posts. You can check the link given. Okay, so please check the description box. Now, benefit of reservation of various category SC/ST will be given to as a government policy, and the examination fee is 100 rupees. Okay, so examination fees is 100 rupees, or candidate must apply online only, no other mode will be entertained. Okay, so you don't have to send the soft copy to the department. You have to fill online application only. Mode of selection will be 1 tier, 2 tier examination and skill test. Okay, examination scheme will be conducted 1 tier, 2 tier examination, postcode as per the examination scheme. Okay, so Hindi English language will be preferred to there. In case of 1-2 tier technical post, candidate securing marks in subject specific selection section is to be placed higher in merit. Okay, in case of non-technical general post, for general post, candidate senior age is to be placed. Okay, the syllabus is for section A. Section A will be general awareness, general intelligence, arithmetic, Hindi language. Section B only for the tier technical only. The tier 1 examination will be same as the 1 tier examination. Tier 2 examination MCQs, and part 2 descriptive. Okay, so there is objective and descriptive. Eligibility criteria should be fulfilled by the candidate, and any other instruction that is not given any other important instruction. So please fill this form, and please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you, good day, and take care.